Hi friends, today we're going to learn a special secret. Did you know that pictures can help us read? Let me show you how. Number one, look at the picture. Now on this page, the first page, there's some bees, some wood, a bear, some flowers, some honey, and a bee house. And it looks like on this first page it's all about bees. Before you read the words, let's look at the pictures. They can give us a clue about what's happening in the story.
Find clues in the pictures. If you see a picture of a cat, what do you think the word might say? That's right, cat. Pictures can help us figure out tricky words. I see a kitten snuggling up with its mom cat. I wonder if this book is about cat. Tell the story with pictures. Even if we can't read all the words, we can use the pictures to tell our own version of the story. What do you see happening?
So I see ladybugs, so maybe ladybugs are about this story.
So on this page, it looks like the mommy bear, the daddy bear, the brother bear, and the sister bear are all worn out. It looks like they're going to take a nice long dive.
Match the words to the pictures. When we see a picture of something, we can look at the word next to it and try to match it. This helps us learn new words.
6. Describe what you see. Tell me what you see in the picture. The more words we use, the better we understand the story. Page, I see an elephant foot. Maybe it's about an elephant.
Point to the pictures while reading. As we read, we can point to the pictures to remind us what's happening in the story.
Use picture books to practice. On this page, I see an elephant. Maybe it's about an elephant dancing.
Some books have lots of pictures. These are great for practicing reading by looking and talking about the picture. Pages, I can see that looks like he's really messy and looks like he's about to take a bath.
Look at the faces and feelings. What do people or animals in the picture look like? Are they happy or sad? This helps us understand how the characters feel. On these two pages, it looks like the mama just got home and the phone's ringing. And on this page, it looks like the little sister getting ready for ballet. And on this page, it looks like the brother's getting ready for baseball.
Have fun with pictures.
Pictures are fun to look at. They help us enjoy the story even if we don't know every single word yet.